Struggling to find the right questions to practice? Spending hours searching, but still not confident? What if AI could generate perfect questions for you instantly? Introducing the AI Question Generator on AiLX. A smarter way to practice, prepare, and master any topic, without wasting time. Just click on AI Question Generator. Enter any topic you want. Customize your learning experience. Choose difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard. Select question type, MCQs, theory, or mixed. And decide how many questions you want. Practice directly on the platform. Get instant feedback. Understand where you're strong and where you need improvement. Not satisfied with a question? Just click Regenerate and instantly get a fresh set of new questions. Enable autoplay. Sit back and let questions flow automatically. Perfect for continuous learning without interruptions. You can also edit questions. Modify them based on your understanding, or tailor them to your specific learning goals. Turn your questions into full mock tests. Practice module-wise. And prepare like it's the real exam. Op searching. Start practicing smarter. Try AI Question Generator now on AiLX. Your smarter way to learn starts here.